Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp link that you can share on social media, websites, emails, or even with friends and customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a WhatsApp link in seconds, format your phone number correctly, click the link to start an instant chat. Now let's get started. First, what is a WhatsApp link? And why do you need one? A WhatsApp link is a direct messaging URL that allows anyone to start a chat with you without saving your number. This is super useful if you want customers to reach you instantly on WhatsApp. Use social media like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Want a quick way for friends or colleagues to contact you? Now that we understand why it's useful, let's create one. You can create your WhatsApp link anywhere, in your Notes app, a text document, or directly in a browser. Open Notes app, and then type it. Here's the basic structure of the WhatsApp link. Type https://wa.me / type your phone number. Example, if your phone number is 92313647974, you would write, then tap done. No spaces, dash your country code, but without the plus sign. If you're in the United States, +1, and your number is 234-567-8900, write. If you're in India, +91, and your number is 98765-43210, write. Pro tip, always double-check your country code and number format before sharing the link. 1. Copy your WhatsApp link and paste it into your browser, Chrome, Safari, or Edge. 2. Press enter, and WhatsApp should automatically open with a Start Chat option. 3. Click Open WhatsApp, and your chat will be ready to go. Congratulations, your WhatsApp link is working perfectly. Now that you have your WhatsApp link, you can share it anywhere. And that's it. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp link to make it easier for people to chat with you instantly. Let me know in the comments, where will you use your WhatsApp link? Before you go, don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.